Hi, I'm Natasha and this is my home. So my husband and I got married in January 2023 and it's been a good 1.5 years of moving into this beautiful home and creating a lot of memories. I truly believe a home is exactly a reflection of the people who live in it, and that's what our home is exactly. It's warm, welcoming and very laid back. My husband's in the Merchant Navy, so for a good part of the year he's traveling, and hence whenever he's back we make sure to create more memories in our humble abode. For a maximum part of my life I have been traveling and moving from place to place during my education and jobs, but this place I truly call my home. So like any good marriage, which is a mix of different personalities, my husband has a very strong liking for colors such as forest green, grey, and me on the other hand, I lean in towards beige and cream and wood palettes. So if you see, it's a very good mix of everything that we both like. We basically got these gifts for our wedding, and these were gifted by my very close, my best friends basically. If you see, it fits beautifully below the altar and it makes one corner of the house look very warm. Now, a fun fact about me is that I love DIY stuff. So anything to do with glass painting, macrame art, needle art, I'm all about it. And you will see a lot of that scattered around our house as well. This bottle was the first piece of glass that I ever painted for my home, and it's truly special. So it goes right here. And now we move into our dining area. So this space connects our bar and our kitchen and is basically a very open space, which is perfect for whenever we are hosting all our friends and family over. And since both of us love hosting, there's a lot of free-flowing conversation going on in this particular area. For me, I love this space and I always decorate my table holdings or my table spaces as per the season. Because it's monsoon, of course, there's a decor of green and blue. Ultimately, when it leads to Christmas, you'll see a lot of red and dark green and mistletoe decking my table. I do have a thing for scented candles, and you'll find them splattered all across my house. And now we move towards the bar. I love this bar because it's a complete brainchild of my husband. The design, everything was his idea, and he was very specific in what he wanted. Now, the design may be his idea, but the decor was ultimately me. When decorating our bar, I truly wanted a football or a Merchant Navy pub theme. So very nautical meets football vibe. And hence you'll see our bar mats, which absolutely give the vibe of a very informal local pub. Now we both are football fans, so hence our respectively favorite clubs have their posters out here. And there's also another fun fact. This is the place where my husband proposed to me months before we got married. So we now move on to the kitchen. So our kitchen is very functional and open, just the way we like it. This is a place where I experiment with a lot of dishes when my husband is not here, because being a newly married wife, I do like to try and surprise him with everything that he's fond of, and he is a foodie. But whenever he's back, we both love cooking on a Sunday, and we both enjoy whipping up a good frittata and potato fries and some cold coffee. Now this is our magnet collection. Because of the nature of his work, it's quite evident that he has to bring back a fridge magnet and a shot glass home every time. Our target is to hit the entire fridge with magnets. So moving on to the balcony. So this is our most favorite place in the house. Since we love entertaining and whenever our friends come over, we love sitting out on the balcony and catching up over a cold glass of beer. I love tending to my plants. I love nurturing them, growing them, and watching them bloom into a beautiful bouquet of flowers as well. So some of the plants are very special because these were given to us by my father-in-law. So the curry leaves, aloe vera, palms, truly special, and I love nurturing them. If you remember, I said I'm a total DIY enthusiast. I have something to show you. This is a jute table that I made on my own with a reused tire and some MDF plywood and a lot of jute rope. This is a very nice table that we use whenever we are having our coffee and our vada paos on a Sunday morning. Now, the beauty of this balcony is that we have decked it up with everything that we love. So you will find a lot of different texture like wood. This is a frame that we got in Goa. We randomly picked it up from a roadside shop and we were very surprised to see that he had these in beautiful colors. So the next time we go, we're going to pick up some more. Now this is a very pretty cane teacup and saucer planter. I found this online and the moment I saw it, I knew I had to buy it. So the coffee table and the stool that you see here is basically made from some recycled tile that we had in our house. We had a lot of excess tile when we were doing up our home, and my husband decided to use it into a beautiful stool and a coffee table for our Saturday morning chai. Moving on. Now let me take you to our bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms that doubles up as a guest room whenever we have friends and family over. As you see, very warm, very cozy and very, very comfortable. Now, because we have an open space out here, which is not a balcony, I have decked it up with a few macrame planters that I've made on my own. So again, a lot of DIY in every room. And now, let me take you to the other bedroom, which is my favorite space. So this is our bedroom. It's my happy space and it's exactly the sanctuary where I like ending my day with a wonderful book and a hot cup of cocoa. Our bedroom is very comfortable and it absolutely reflects the both of us. I love reading, so my husband definitely ensured that there was a bookshelf for me to stack all my favorite reads on. Now, there's a little bit of DIY out here as well. So there's a Buddha painting for a lot of peace and good vibes. I made a macrame holder out here. Again, something to just fill up and make a corner a little bit more beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to LBB's Homely newsletter.